Welcome to my YouTube channel, Art of Knowledge. What was the profession of Prophet Lut, peace be upon him? Farmer, shepherd, merchant, teacher. Correct answer is shepherd. What was the profession of Prophet Idris, peace be upon him? Tailor, shepherd, farmer, merchant. Correct answer is tailor. What was the profession of Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him? Potter, shepherd, blacksmith, weaver. Correct answer is shepherd. What was the profession of Prophet Harun, peace be upon him? Teacher, priest, shepherd, farmer. Correct answer is priest. What was the profession of Prophet Ilyas, peace be upon him? Farmer, fisherman, teacher, weaver. Correct answer is weaver. Thanks for watching.